Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the region on your Xbox PC in 2024. Whether you're looking to access exclusive content or play games not available in your region, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. Changing the region on your Xbox PC is actually pretty simple. So let's get started. First, you need to open the Xbox app on your PC. You can find it by tapping Xbox in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen and selecting the Xbox app from the list. Next, we need to open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking on the Microsoft Store icon in the taskbar or searching for it in the search bar. Once you're in it, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the window and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Region section. Here you can select your desired region from the drop-down menu. After selecting your new region, the Microsoft Store will prompt you to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Make sure to save any work and then click Restart Now. Now go back to the Xbox app to ensure the region changes applied here too. You might need to sign out and sign back in. Click on your profile picture at the top right, select sign out and then sign in back again with your Microsoft account. And that's it. Your Xbox PC region is now changed and you can access content available in your selected region. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your PC and repeating the steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.